So I'm still collecting more parsley for fresh tabbouleh today. And here's a little new patch. These are seedlings of my own seed that I've been growing for 8 years, growing it year after year and collecting, the best seeds of those varieties. And it's a flat leaf I bought a long time ago, like 8 years ago, and I focused on it solely with fish emulsion and seaweed, fertilizing it, focusing my attention on this one plant, and the leaves were a lot larger than the rest. So I collected the seeds over and over, and now this is the 8th generation of these seeds, and I'm going to show you as a seedling, remember, as a seedling, of how large the leaves can get and how bright of color, luscious, and there's never an insect problem in this variety I grow. And here's some leaves right here, how large they can get. Take a look at that. This is a seedling. Here's a side shot. You see how it's barely even growing? Look how big it is. Happy gardening, everyone.